Welcome to Alwala General Knowledge class. Today our topic is Indian Railways. Our railways has more than 150 years history. That's why we have to know some points about Indian Railways. Our first railway line was started on April 16, 1853 from Mumbai to Thane. Length is 34 kilometers. From Mumbai to Thane, first railway line was started on April 16, 1853. The length between these two places 34 kilometers. It was started by Lord Dalhousie. At the time Governor General of India, this person started our first railway line. That's why this person is called Father of Indian Railways. Next mascot of our railways is Bolu God. Bolu means elephant, God means protection. It is the mascot of Indian Railways. Administration point of view, our railway board is divided. Total 18 zones. 18 zones. Basically less zones, but present how many zones are there in Indian Railways? Totally 18 railway zones are there. Latest railway zone is Southern Coast Railway Zone, Vishakhapatnam. That is the 18th railway zone. 17th railway zone was Kolkata Metro Zone. First 9 railway zones were there. After that, 7 railway zones were established in 2003. Later, Kolkata Metro Zone was also established. Recently, which zone was formed? Remember, Southern Coast Railway Zone in Vishakhapatnam. In 2019, it was announced. Zone head is general manager. Each zone is regulated by general manager. These zones are divided into divisions. Division head is DRM, Divisional Railway Manager. So many divisions are there, nearly 70 divisions are there in our country. Example, Guntakal Division, Nanded Division, Secunderabad Division, Hyderabad Division, different divisions are there. Administration point of view, these divisions were formed. Next, railway budget. Basically, general budget was started in 1860. 1860. Up to 1923, in our country had only one budget, but in 1924, railway budget was separated from general budget. From 1924 to 2016, our railway department introduced a separate budget. But in 2017, again our country has only one budget. It was merged into general budget in 2016. That's why 2017 onwards, our government has been introducing only one budget. Next, total track length. Total track length of 67,956 kilometers, approximately 68,000 kilometers track length is there. Running track length is more, but only track length is 67,956. Next, income coming from different sources of our railways. 65% of income coming from cargo. It means goods, through goods freight charges, 65% of income is getting from goods or cargo. 29% of income is coming from passenger, remaining 6 coming from other sources. According to 2019-20 financial year, 808 crores passengers travelled in a single year. Our railways transported 808 crores passengers in 2019-20 financial year. 1.2 billion tons cargo transported. 2019-20 financial year, 1.2 billion tons cargo transported, goods transported. Next, gauges are 4. Railway gauges are 4 in our country. Those are broad gauge. Broad gauge is 1.676 meters length. Meter gauge is 1 meter. Narrow gauge is 0.762 meters. Light narrow gauge is 0.610 meters. Total 4 gauges. Broad gauge, between two gauges the distance is 1.676 meter gauge 1 meter, narrow gauge 0.76. Light narrow gauge is not running now, it was stopped, but narrow gauge, some hilly areas narrow gauge is working. Meter gauge, all track is changing to broad gauge. Maximum in our country broad gauge lines are more, all meter gauge lines are changing to broad gauge. Okay, next we go to employees. 12,54,000 employees are working Indian Railways. It is the 8th biggest single largest working organization in the world. Some decades back it was the biggest organization in the world employees point of view, but present it is the 8th biggest employees working organization in the world. Next, some special trains are there in our country. Those special trains we have to remember. The fastest train in India is Gatiman Express. This train is running between Delhi and Agra. 160 kilometers speed, 160 kilometers per hour speed, that is Gatiman Express. But another train also tested, that is Vande Bharat Express or Train 18. It trials 180 kilometers completed, but average speed is 130 kilometers. That's why, according to railway records, it is the fastest train of our country, Gatiman Express. After that, Shatabdi is there, Rajdhani Express, so many other trains are there. Shatabdi. Short distances covering point of view, Shatabdi Express was started on the memory of Jawaharlal Nehru 100th birthday anniversary. It was started during Rajiv Gandhi period. Shatabdi Express. Rajdhani Express, connecting state capital to country capital point of view, one train was started, that is Rajdhani Express. State capital to country capital point of view, one train was started, that is Rajdhani Express. Maharaja Express is the most luxurious train of our country. Previously Palace on Wheels was there, but present Maharaja Express is the most luxurious train. Golden Chariot is the most luxurious train in South India. Golden Chariot is the most luxurious train in South India. Duronto Express. Duronto Express means non-stop trains. From starting point to ending point, no stops are there. In our country, from Howrah to Amritsar, one train is travel that has 115 halts. That is maximum halts train in the world. That is maximum halts train in the world. But Duronto train, from starting point ending point, any stops are not there. That is Duronto. Duronto is a Bengali word. Okay, Duronto means non-stop in Bengali language. Duronto Express, non-stop trains. Deccan Queen, it is the first electric express train in our country. It was started from Kalyan and Pune in 1929-30 financial year. That is Deccan Queen. Actually, our first electric line was started in 1925 from Mumbai, VT and Kurla. Mumbai, VT and Kurla, between those two places, first electric train was started, but first electric express train and also first luxurious train of our country, that is Deccan Queen. It was started between Kalyan and Pune in 1929-30 financial year. That is Deccan Queen. Lifeline Express, it is the first mobile hospital train in the world. First mobile hospital train in the world is Lifeline Express. It is equal to hospital. It has operation theatres, IC units, all these are available in Lifeline Express. First mobile hospital train in the world. Maitri Express, this train runs between India and Bangladesh. India is running to only one other country at present situation, that is Bangladesh. Between Calcutta and Dhaka, one train is run, that is Maitri Express. All our states connected railways except Sikkim, up to 2022 Sikkim will be also connected to Indian Railways. Recent state connected to Indian Railway, that is Meghalaya, but only one state does not have railway line, that is Sikkim, but it will be connected in future. These are some important trains we have to concentrate. And next, manufacturing plants. We have so many manufacturing plants in our country. Integral Coach Factory is located Perambur, Chennai. The main coach factory of our country is, that is Integral Coach Factory ICF. It was constructed in 1955. That is the main coach factory of our country. All types of coaches are manufactured in Integral Coach Factory. After that, Rail Coach Factory Kapurthala, during Rajiv Gandhi period it was started, Kapurthala Rail Coach Factory. After that, another rail coach factory started in Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh. Some other places also planning to construct rail coach factories. Diesel locomotive works, diesel engine manufacturing works located in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Diesel component works is located in Patiala. Wheel and axle plant is located in Yelahanka, Bangalore. Chittaranjan is very famous for electric locomotive works. Software Technology Center is developing in Darjeeling. Railway Software Technology Center is developing in Darjeeling. So many other places our railway is constructing some spare parts point of view, different point of view it is doing. Next, longest railway platform in the world is Gorakhpur platform. Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Famous mutt is there. This place is now famous in the world. What purpose you remember? It is the longest platform in the world. That is 1366 meters, 1.36 kilometer length platform. That is Gorakhpur. After that, Kollam, Kerala, second position. Then third position, Kharagpur. Very long back, Kharagpur platform was longest railway platform in the world, but present longest railway platform in the world is Gorakhpur, 1.366 kilometers. Bogibeel Bridge was constructed in Assam, that is longest rail cum road bridge. Previously, Rajahmundry rail cum road bridge on Godavari river was longest rail cum road bridge in our country, but present Bogibeel Bridge is the longest rail cum road bridge in India. It was constructed on Brahmaputra river near Gauhati in Assam. Longest rail bridge was constructed in Kerala on Vembanad Lake. It is Vembanad Railway Bridge on Vembanad Lake in Kerala. That is the longest railway bridge in our country. Our railway ministry is constructing one strong railway line between Mumbai and Ahmedabad for bullet trains purpose. Between Mumbai and Ahmedabad, two business capitals, distance 508 kilometers. Between these two cities, one strong railway line is constructing for bullet trains. That bullet train speed will be 320 kilometers per hour. It will be the fastest train in our country, but present fastest train is Gatiman Express. In future, between Mumbai and Ahmedabad, bullet trains will be started 320 kilometers per hour. But the world's fastest train is low series maglev. Low series maglev train in Japan. It is 600 kilometers per hour. Thank you.